Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to insert Sparklines in Excel. Okay, so let's get started. At first go to the insert tab, then from the Sparklines group select line. Okay, now select the data range first, so the first row, and the location range is this one. Okay, click OK and we get the Sparkline like this. Now you can just copy the Sparkline below to get relative sparklines for the other rows. Okay, so this is how to insert sparklines in Excel. You can also, let's say, use the entire data set at once. Okay, so let's see how to do this. So insert sparkline and choose the entire data range all together and the range or location range all together. Okay, click OK and we get the same sparklines as earlier. Okay, now whenever you click on any of the sparklines containing cells, okay, you get the sparkline tab, and from here you can edit it. Let's say edit the data points from here or change the type to column. See, the trend is changed, or win-loss percentage. Okay, then you can also add high points, low points, negative points, okay, first point, last point, markers, and so on. And from here you can change the styles. Okay, so choose whichever you prefer, and then from here you can change the sparkline color and weight. Let's say this one. See, the thickness is changed, marker colors, so let's say we can use negative points or red colors for negative points and green colors for high points, and so on. Then you can change the axis settings from here, and you can group them or ungroup them to edit them separately or all together. Okay, so let's uncheck this, and then from the clear button you can clear them one by one or all together. So in these three columns are kept empty for new data input later on, and whenever you do that, the sparklines will be updated automatically. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.